When we launched the AI Analyst last year, something extraordinary happened. In the first week alone, 30 million people watched the announcement and 120,000 of them signed up to Rose. Since then, the analyst answered more than 300,000 of your questions, and he got around 60% of them right. But that wasn't enough. Many of you asked us for more capabilities to help you visualize your analysis, enrich your datasets with new columns, format data, and more. And that's why we're here today, to announce the AI Analyst 3.0, rebuilt from the ground up to be a smarter, faster, more versatile data analyst in your spreadsheets. Let's see it in action. The first thing we'll do is load a dataset to the spreadsheet. Here you can see a table with recent orders from an e-commerce store. Call the analyst and ask it to format the revenue and cost columns in dollars. Now that's done, and I want to know the profit of each order. So let's continue our conversation and ask just that. See that it understands how to calculate the profit margin without needing any context. Great. Now, to continue my analysis, I want to know a couple more things. First, I want to know the number of days it took to ship. Now, that's simple. And I want to know something a little bit more complex. I want to classify each order based on the number of days between the order and the ship date. If it's 0, then I want to say it's the same day. If it's between 1 and 3, I want to tag it like that. Otherwise, let's say it's 3+ days. See that if we zoom in, we can see exactly the formula that the analyst used to create this column. Nested if formulas aren't exactly trivial for most of us, and it's really remarkable how the analyst got it right so quickly. It really changes how people can use spreadsheets to make sense of their data. Now that the data set is prepared, we'll summarize our orders table. Let's ask it for a couple of things: the number of orders per day and by shipping status. See that the analyst will automatically create these tables for us and add them to the bottom of the page. Every analysis is connected back to the main table, so if anything changes, the analysis will be updated as well. Now, to wrap up, we'll ask it to create a chart for us, we'll style it, we'll format it, and we'll reorder the elements to turn our analysis into a beautiful report. But there's one more thing, a big thing. The analyst is trained in some of our unique and most popular functions. And this means it comes with some pretty special capabilities. You can use it to find information like the number of employees from a list of companies, get stock and crypto data, pull financial KPIs from public companies, and even use it to automate hundreds of tasks like sentiment analysis, tax classification, or even browse the web for information. And this is all available starting today. So head out to rose.com and tell us what you think. And as we like to say, you've never seen a spreadsheet do this.